Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and to those of you new here, my name is Yan. I am a freelance makeup artist. As you can see, I'm putting on my makeup right now. And also I do daytime job. And today is May 31st. It's Sunday. And today is a very exciting day because we are coming back to San Sebastian Church to do our Sunday Mass service. So just for today basically. So yep, I'm currently touching up because it's a casual Sunday makeup only, guys. Everyday makeup basically. And it's just basically foundation and then blush on and lipstick. That's it. And then, yeah, I'm gonna meet my friends. Charot. My choir mates dun sa Baste. So, to those of you who don't know, guys, I'm also singing in a choir. Currently Eastern Chamber Singers. And then, I am also I was a part of a church choir, and the last mass service that we had was back in September of 2025, and this is going to be the first in how many months na? Dami na, basta yun. And this is so exciting, guys, because we had a privilege to meet the parish priest, and then we are allowed to do our mass service today at 4 o'clock. So yeah, doing our preparation. So I'm gonna meet my choir mates later, so I'm gonna show that to you. And just so you know, wag na nga, basta if you like contents like this, makeup vlogs, travel vlogs, daily vlogs, and also soon I'm going to showcase another niche which I'm also very much excited about, but I'm gonna show that next time na lang. But yeah, for the meantime, if you'd like to support my channel, please do like this video, share this, and also please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future vlogs. And yeah, I'll show you the ganap today. Bye. So ayun guys, I just finished putting on my liquid foundation and also my powder foundation, and then also my blush on. Hindi na siya kita dyan, but where na yan. I'm gonna put my lipstick later on na lang paglabas na siguro para hindi siya putok-putok. And then I'm just gonna wear this favorite curl earring that I bought from TikTok. So, ayan siya. Sorry, medyo magulo. Because it's Sunday. It's supposed to be cleaning day for me, but then again, puyat ang makala. So, ayun. Hindi na nakapaglinis. Hango na lang ligo kain. And then, so, ayun siya. Not sure, parang 150 pesos lang yun sa TikTok shop, guys. Bili na kayo. If you'd like to purchase, I'll put the link on the description box or also in the comment section, so you can just click it. And then, bili na kayo para may ako points ako, ganon. Tapos, ayun, so our agenda for today is just going to the church to do our mass service because there's a lot to be thankful for, to be honest. I have shifted my career. Wow, ganda. Ayun, so nakapagpahinga tayo for a couple of months from so many errands, so many engagements, and also it was a smooth transition from my previous job to my current one. And also, yeah, this is the big thing to be thankful for, going to San Sebastian Church again to serve as a church choir member. And yeah, because I think it's been September, October, November, December, January, March, April, May, magjo-June na, so 8 months. It has been 8 months since our last ganap, or I mean mass service dun sa church. So this is really a big thing for us because yeah, San Sebastian Church has been our home for the last, for me at least, 8 years or 9 being a choir member. So it's good to be back, finally back, and to serve again. And naming hanash, basta ayun, I'm just gonna finish things up on my squad, and then I'll go out na. So see you guys later. Guys, so I'm with with them na nandito po si Vinnie Maloy.
Hi. Sino yun? Mika to.
Ay, Vinnie Mika pala. Vinnie Birocha. Nandito po si Vinnie. Oh, sige.
Yan. Pero parang ka din talaga eh. Kilala ko yung mga galawan mo, te. Parang ka din talaga.
We are arriving in 2 minutes. Wow! So, ayan guys, nakikita niyo na ba yung baste?
Buo na yung ano nila.
Buo na siya. Wow! Huy!
Walaan na to.
Ano na yung tindahan?
Yes, sir.
Yan guys, so we have just arrived here at San Sebastian Church. Ay, sakto! Say hi to my vlog! Bisa mo!
This is the comeback.
Diyan ka na, park ka na dyan. Go!
Pagkain ko yung ano.
Ayan guys, mga kompleto na ang cast ng PBB Teens.
Nakabahan ako, te. Nakamagal si brother.
May Santa Cruzan pala ngayon, girl. Ay!
Uy, gulat yarn.
Sorry naman ng ano mo, waist trainer ba to?
Oo, charing sanduyan. Sabi ko sila.
Sakto kayo, girl.
Bakit? Ano gagawin?
Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hello! Long time no see.
Oo nga eh.
Saan tayo?
Init dun sa loob. Okay, kulis ko lang. Sige, dito lang naman yon. Pag
Saan yun?
pasok mo dyan, ayan, diretso lang sa dulo.
Okay.
Go. Pagod na pagod ka na, Mi.
Init. Ang dali, ba't may ganyan ka?
Taas na tayo
Ito ko, oh. As. Uwi ka na.
Ha?
Tara na. Aray ko, ate. Init.
Hindi ka tabal kasi, hindi ikaw.
Asa na yung friend mong init na init? Pwede ba dyan? Di, pwede mag-girls dyan. Pwede mag-girls dyan. Sige. Ay, like, turong kita. This way, ma'am.
Sabi ko, sayang naman yung ano, tinuturo ko na. Para sabihan mo lang siya ng gano'n.
Nasang kape.
Baka kape yun. Sa dulo, B. Ayan na po sila. Hi, hi.
Ay, vlog.
Ano to, te? Drone.
Nilalaro ako ni Patrick.
Human drone.
Sabi ko, nasa ka na? Sabi ko, nasa ka na? Ikaw ang nasaan, dito na kami.
Hello, siya.
Sabi ko, bakla ka, magkakasama kami.
Eming guard. Ay, matawag ma.
Ay, ito nakakausap. Sige.
Bumili.
May event yata.
Ayan, dyan. Sa taas, girl.
Alam namin itong lugar inside.
Ang laki niya na po, guys.
So, sino ang kausap niyo? Kuya. Sino ang kausap niyo? Ito na nga, ang matagal ng pinapangarap. Ang
Ilang,
pangarap
8
na
months yun,
bibig.
girl. 8 months.
Ilang years?
8, oh, ikaw? September last year lang yun, di ba?
Uy, hindi, te. Matagal na tayong te.
Ay, mali pala ako na sinabi, guys. Sorry.
Mali, ano ka ba?
Wrong info.
Tagal na ako sa One Voice.
1
So,
year
I'm
na
so
ba?
happy.
1 year, 8 months?
I have another choir. This is my third choir. Wow, vlog ko. This is my third choir and I am so happy. I am also back with my original, well, my genuine friends.
Wow.
Wow!
Ano masasabi ng,
Nonsense sila.
wait lang, dito kasi yung financer namin. Ayan.
Siya talaga yung director. Ano siya?
Ito si Direct. Ito yung artistic director namin na si Sir Aiko.
Aiko Melendez. Actually, mayroon na daw bagong may booking na agad kay business manager.
Oo. Alam mo naman si
Enchanted Kingdom.
financer. Buklo ko.
Enchanted Kingdom. First booking Enchanted Kingdom.
Libre naman daw yung ticket.
Yes!
Sana may experience
Kasi tag-ulan na.
True. Bakit parang pawis na pawis ka naman ngayon, sir?
Okay na, nakatutok na yung carpet dito.
Sir, anong number ng...
So ito po yung Father, ito yung resibo Pag pinagalitan kami nung nag-open ng ito yun, ito.
Father, charge na lang po sa kanya
Oo.
kung merong donation.
At sa may iwagang bag niya po, ayan.
So, hi!
Ay, bakit naman nagagalit, sir?
Sama daw siya.
Andyan na? Ito po yung mga import namin. Ayan po. From PBA. Ito, mga import namin from Gilas, Pilipinas. Galas, Pilipinas. Po kayo, te. Ito po. Dito yung lalaki, Merwin. Beb.
Doon ko pinagkaroon yung doon.
Ay, kunita conduct dito. Wow.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, Tin, pwede ka na ilaban.
Ay, hindi talaga tayo. Sa boxing. Pag mga anong mga tawag sa kanta na to?
Sacred song.
Sacred songs, yes.
Battle of the Rhythm.
Pero pag yung mga ouch dem, zugo, whisk. Uy, hindi natin na dito, tabal. Ba't pala dito tayo? Ay, talaga? Ano? Doon tayo nag-rehearse dapat pala.
Gaga, may entourage dyan.
Ay, yung
May kasal ka.
Kala ko nga na doon kayo sa kasal.
Yes.
Papasok sana.
Papalit kita dyan kay St. Lawrence Ruiz. Hi po. Oh my God, guys! So we are now entering the Sacred Choir Loft. Wow! Super init dito, Ting. Yo.
Sino mag-organ sa atin?
Tilan.
Talaga ba? Mabait naman natin lang.
All for the glory of God. Wow.
Ito
Kulot eh.
nakarecord to. Ito.
Ha?
Yung papuri ang kape.
Lolati? Papuri?
Hindi niya kaya riyan.
Ete. Dito na lang yung gamit sa gilid. Shh, uy, makinig ka nga itong matandang to. Sino pa yung matanda? Siya pa yung makulit. Tabal. Wow. Wow. Say hi to my vlog.
Alright.
Parang baliktad. Ay, ano pala dapat? Wow.
Si Aaron ang conductor 1 natin. Announcement, si Aaron ang conductor 1.
Yes.
Ano ba yan? Oh. Uy, ano po yun?
Salamat po sa inyo. Kayo din po, nais po natin i-welcome at choir po sa ating misa ngayong alas 4. Sila po ang The Our Lady of Mount Carmel Singers po. Nandito sila kayo sa ating choir. for the time being sa serve sa ating parokya. Welcome po at maraming salamat po sa inyo, pagtutulong at panyaya po namin ang parte ng ating ministry. Sumayo.
Hey guys, so we are going home now. So we have just finished. We are done for the day. Well, parang work naman. So it was super tiring because it's super hot. But it was a successful, well, mass service. Come back, perfect. And ano yun, bakit parang nagmamadali siya? And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to support me by liking this video, sharing this to your friends, and also, grabe yung pagod ko, girl!
Sali na kayo sa porn namin.
Oo, sali na kayo sa choir namin. We'll soon be posting our auditions. Wow, ganda. And then, yeah, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future vlogs. And that's it for today. Sobrang pagod na ang Mima neto. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!